Hi guys, I'm gonna share to you one of my tips and tricks on collecting skins. As you can see here, oops, don't mind my loose streak and poor stats. Right here at the collectible you can see all the skins that you own. As you can see, I'm Mega Collector 4. I started collecting skin way back 2021. When I had my first job, I only recharge when there's an event. 250 worth of diamonds on Phase 1 and Phase 2, for a total of 500 diamonds. Also, I only recharge when there are other epic skins in the prize pool. That's why I don't have collector skins. I just repeat these steps since I started collecting. I hope this helps. And now KOF is back with the newly revamped skins. KOF event is one of the most worthy events. I recharge 200 for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and my pattern is 7 and 8. I just hope it will be a 3 digits or 4 digits bingo pattern. I want the 2 or a KOF skin. Let's wait for the Phase 2. Wish me luck. As you can see here, I own almost every skin in the event, just by repeating the steps I mentioned earlier. I'll update you on the second phase. Happy collecting! Thank you guys for watching.